Welcome to Cameraman Brother Roofing Installation. We do it the best, one top class.
Yes guys, so we're there, I put on some nail over steel them. Yeah man, we done couple side already. So as I can see, nail over steel them. Yeah man, so we bend them and put nail over them. You are going there again. Yeah man, so we're out here guys. I try to get the right thing done. Yeah man, as I can see, we done couple sides already. Yeah, one big side and one small side, so we're on the next small side. I go up on the big side guys. Yeah man. Yeah man, so this is a project here we are doing for this weekend. Yeah man. See next side a lot up already. Lot up and everything already, you know guys. So I get it covered today. So just stay tuned and watch what go on, and please remember, you know, like, share and subscribe. And remember again to tell a friend guys. The cameraman thing can upload show. That's it. Yeah man, and big up to all who give their support man. Big up to Body Ratty Adventures, Colors Simit, big up to the whole of them guys. Anti-PTV, yeah man. Big up to the whole of them guys. Yeah man, and many others guys. Yeah man, big up to them man. Enough respect all the time man. So just stay blessed until they get the next update. Yeah man, cameraman out here. Yes guys, so we are getting it cap up on now guys. As you can see, we finished sheeting it off. Yeah man, now we are getting it cap up to seal up. Yeah man, so we're going there. Yes guys, showing you what we're going. Cause boy out there so. Yeah man, so we are trying to get it cap up. Yeah man, you know it's a police station this guys. Up a New Market police station. Yeah man, one cameraman. Top class. Yeah man. We do it. As I can say, maybe a them part they left with school. Maybe a that we go up on next. Or post office. Yeah man. We go through one by one and we get them done. Yeah man, progress in the making. So cause boy there saw silicone up the joints. Yeah man. And then we are getting on the covering for the cap. So we're done. We are going on overall finishing product. Everything put on one capping down there so already. Yeah man, so we're out here doing it man. So please remember to like, share and subscribe and tell a friend. Tell a friend that we are out here doing the right thing guys. Yeah. Stay blessed.